Hey there, video editors. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into Adobe Premiere Pro, and I've got 5 amazing tips that will take your editing skills to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips are sure to save you time and make your projects shine. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Mastering keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are an essential part of any efficient editing workflow, and in Adobe Premiere Pro, they can drastically speed up your process. By using these shortcuts, you can avoid constantly moving your mouse across the screen, which not only saves time but also keeps you in the creative zone. For instance, pressing C instantly activates the razor tool, allowing you to make quick cuts in your timeline without having to click on the tool manually. Once you've made your cuts, you can simply press V to switch back to the selection tool, enabling you to move or adjust your clips seamlessly. This back-and-forth action between tools becomes second nature with practice. Another incredibly useful shortcut is the space bar, which starts and stops playback of your sequence. This is particularly handy when you need to quickly review your edits without reaching for the mouse. To truly take advantage of keyboard shortcuts, it's important to customize them to fit your editing style. Premiere Pro makes this easy by offering a comprehensive list of default shortcuts, which you can find by navigating to Edit X Keyboard Shortcuts. Here, you can see all the available shortcuts and even modify them to better suit your needs. For example, if you frequently use a specific tool or command, assign it a key that's easily accessible to you. Tip 2. Utilizing adjustment layers. Adjustment layers are a powerful and versatile tool in Adobe Premiere Pro that allow you to apply effects to multiple clips simultaneously, streamlining your workflow and ensuring consistency across your project. To create an adjustment layer, first navigate to the Project panel. Right-click within the panel, select New Item, and then choose Adjustment Layer from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to confirm the settings. Typically, you can leave these settings at their default values, which match your sequence settings. Once created, drag the adjustment layer onto your timeline, positioning it on a track above the clips you wish to affect. The beauty of adjustment layers lies in their ability to apply effects to all clips beneath them. This is particularly useful for tasks like color grading, adding transitions, or applying visual effects. For instance, if you want to apply a color correction to multiple clips, you can simply add the Lumetri color effect to the adjustment layer. Any changes you make to the effect will automatically be applied to all underlying clips. This not only saves time but also ensures a consistent look across your footage. Moreover, adjustment layers are perfect for creating dynamic visual effects. For example, you can use them to apply a Gaussian blur, vignette, or any other effect that needs to be consistent across several clips. In summary, adjustment layers not only save you time but also enhance your creative control. They provide a centralized location for applying and managing effects, making your editing process more efficient and your projects more polished. Tip 3. Color grading with Lumetri. Color panel is a powerful tool for color correction and grading. Start by applying the Lumetri color effect to your clip. In the Lumetri panel, you can adjust basic corrections like exposure, contrast, and saturation, or dive into advanced settings like curves and color wheels. Using the comparison view can help you match colors across different clips to maintain a consistent look. Tip 4. Nesting sequences for better organization. Nesting is great for keeping your timeline tidy, especially with complex projects. To nest clips, select the clips you want to group together, right-click, and choose Nest. This collapses the selected clips into a single nested sequence, making it easier to manage your timeline. You can double-click the nested sequence to make further edits if needed. Tip 5. Using essential graphics. Have you ever wanted to give your videos a dynamic and professional look with custom motion graphics? Now, I'm going to show you how to create a simple yet effective motion graphic using the Essential Graphics panel. With the Essential Graphics panel open, click on New Layer and select Text. This will add a text layer to your project. Type in your desired text and use the options in the panel to customize the font, size, and color. Next, let's animate this text to make it more engaging. Go to the Effect Controls panel with the text layer selected. Click on the stopwatch icon next to Position to create a keyframe at the beginning of your text clip. Move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to end and adjust the position of the text. Premiere Pro will automatically create a new keyframe. This will animate the text from the starting position to the ending position. For a smoother animation, select the keyframes and right-click to choose Ease In or Ease Out. This will create a more natural movement for your text. And there you have it, a dynamic motion graphic that you created right inside Adobe Premiere Pro using the Essential Graphics panel. And there you have it, 5 amazing tips for Premiere Pro that will help you edit faster and more efficiently. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite tip, and subscribe to the channel for more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!